Hi guys, welcome to Reviews by C Angel. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. I am gonna be showing you two apps that can make you some change money. It's not so much, just a little bit, and it also depends on how much you work on these apps to get the value of money that you want, but it's not a lot. It's not gonna make you rich or anything. So if I go to this folder called money, here are my two apps that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to start with this one, Toluna, which is available in most countries. So you just go to your app store and then download it, sign up, and then bam, you are a Toluna influencer. So what you do here is you answer surveys. They are long surveys, which amounts to 1,000 points or 2,000 points, depends on the survey. Or you do these 15-point surveys, which you just answer like one question. As you can see on the screen, if I answer this question, I'm gonna get me some 15 points. So let's answer the question so y'all can see. Okay, before I answer, as you can see, when you look at your bottom left, I have 11,440 points. So let's answer the question and see if that's gonna change, which it is going to change. So they're saying, is sexual orientation determined at birth? Let me say yes, of course, and then I vote. I press vote, and then as you can see, it's a 50-50. There's 8 votes for now. So it'll show you the content that people write. You can write about anything that you find interesting, and then you can answer people's content, but you must make sure that your content is of quality. You put pictures, you make it look nice and interesting. As you can see here, people, they are writing and writing and writing and writing. So I'm going to show you my content that I've created. So I have got this one. So I haven't been creating content in a long time. So here I was asking people a question, so they had to rate yes or no, and these are my other contents, and I've actually got like 1,000 or 2,000 points on some of these contents that I have created. So when you create this content, you go to this plus sign on your right, and then here, these are the 4 options on what you want to create. And then you can also earn points by referring people to come and register to join Toluna. So you also get points for that. So now I'm gonna show you now like what you get through these points. So for 20,000 points, you can get a mobile phone airtime for 100 rands, or take a lot. You also get PayPal for 100 rand for 25,000 points. So I have actually gotten 25,000 points before, and then I got my voucher for that. As you can see here, PayPal 100 ZAR processed, which was processed on the 16th of May. You can also enter sweepstakes. It's a daily lottery which you can win 1,000,000 points, which is pretty awesome if you win this, because you can have like unlimited points. You can do whatever. You can buy airtime, take a lot, PayPal. So like you be like moneyed up. So to enter, you have to give away your 500 points. So I tried entering and I did not win. So yeah, that's it for Toluna, guys. That's it. Like, I'm gonna put my reference on the description below, so you can also join and we can all have fun and make some extra money, some PayPal money. So if you are interested, I am now going to show you proof on my email that I really did receive the PayPal money. Okay guys, so this is the proof of the money that I received from Toluna, which was $9.73 US, which was about 126 rands, which is quite a lot, you know. So I received this on the 14th of June. This takes about 4 weeks to actually get into your PayPal account. So guys, this is really great. So as you can see here, I got my money and I spent my money. So here's the proof. So now we are going to go to our next app called Snap and Save. Unfortunately, this app is only available in South Africa. So what happens here is as you can see here, we've got groceries, many things here, like that you can buy from your local supermarket, such as Checkers, ShopRite, Pick and Pay, Woolworths, etc, etc. So what you do here, if you need like cereal or bread, you book it first, or you can book it after you bought it. It does not really matter. So what you do, you book an item that you want to go and buy. Let's say I want to book a cereal. Then they say, remember, you have 48 hours to buy this product, and snap the till slip, and then you just say, got it. So then what you do, you go to the store, you buy your cereal. So you can book like anything that you need from here. Maybe let's say I need cereal, bread, and milk, you know. Let's say I need these 3 things. So let me show you what happens here. So when I look at the milk, they say you can get R1.25 back. So when you buy any milk, you will get R1.25 back. You can pay as little as 20 rands, but you can buy milk for like 12. I usually buy milk for 11 rands or 12 rands. Doesn't have to be 20 rands. You can buy these shops that they are mentioning here. Offer is available for 3 days. If you haven't bought anything for 3 days, this will disappear. So you must make sure that you buy, and then once you've bought, you go to your booked items, and then you go down and say snap my till slip, and then you just go to the shop where you bought your item. Let's say I bought it at Checkers. Okay, and then what I do is just tick all the items that I bought. Maybe I bought more things and I didn't book them, then I can just add them to the list. Let's say I also bought rice, which was not ticked, obviously. So then now the rice is added on my booked offers, and then I press next. So once you've done that, they're gonna tell you what needs to be on your till slip. So basically you have to make sure that everything on your till slip is on camera, you know. And then you just press got it, and then you just send and wait for 2 to 4 days, and then they're gonna send you a message saying ka-ching. That means that edit your money. So when you first register, the nice thing about it is that you are gonna get 5 rands. You just take any till slip, you snap it, and then you get 5 rands, you know, just to start things off. So now I am going to show you my wallet, like how much I have now through using Snap and Save. Now I have 81 rand and 45 cents. So I'm saving this money here. I'm only gonna take it out when it's 100 rand. So it's good for if you also want to save money. So what happens here is like every 5 snaps or every 4 snaps. It used to be 4, but now it's every 5 snaps. I get a 5 rand trophy, so which is a bonus, which is great. You can also get free cash by if you guys take my promo code CindyN820, downloaded the app and you register, and then you will get 10 rands, and I will also get 10 rands, and then we are both good. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys, let me show you my promo code again so you can see it, and I'm also going to put it on the description below. So if you guys are interested in downloading the app, you can just use my promo code and you'll get 10 rands, like free money, just like that, just for buying your own food that you buy every day, and then you're getting your money back. That is it for today's video. So if you want to see more of videos like this, videos about any reviews such as apps, clothes, products, then just please do subscribe to my channel. And then if you like this video, you can hit like, and you can comment if you want to ask me something before actually downloading these two apps. As from me, it is goodbye.